Alright guys, just a quick look on how to wind a bobbin on an industrial sewing machine. This is a Consew 206 RB1. We'll wind the bobbin, make a little adjustment, and then load that bobbin in the machine. Here we go. And you can just go ahead and pop the bobbin case out. And if your bobbin case doesn't come out easily, it's probably because your hand wheel dots aren't aligned. And if it's in a certain cycle of the rotation, this bobbin case opener will actually prevent you from removing or installing the bobbin case. The 206 RB uses an M-style bobbin, so just check the fit. That feels like it goes on a little too loose for my liking, so just use a flat blade screwdriver, just splay that a little bit and retest it. It needs to have a good snug fit. That's better. To wind a bobbin, just go through this eyelet and around the back of the tension discs. Feed the thread through the bobbin from inside to out and engage the bobbin winder. Make sure your presser foot is lifted as you hold back the thread and wind the bobbin. I always like to look at it from this vantage so you can tell if the thread is loading evenly onto the bobbin. Looks like we're stacking it a little bit too far to the left, so we'll go ahead and make a bobbin winder adjustment to correct that. If we just loosen this screw here, this was stacking off to the left, so we'll move this to the right slightly in this slotted way and retighten things to test that again. Okay, so I started with a fresh bobbin, and it looks like the thread is stacking much more evenly now, so that looks pretty good. The other adjustment we have available to us is how much thread is put on the bobbin. This is about how I like mine, but if you want a little more thread wound onto that bobbin, just tighten this screw here. It'll bend a little finger down and allow you to put slightly more thread onto that bobbin. So the thread needs to be spooling off this way as you load your bobbin into the bobbin case. Thread needs to come back through this anti-backlash mechanism around the finger and into the little hole. Once your thread is coming through the hole, that's what it'll apply tension on that. Tension should be light and consistent. Now if you do need to make a little adjustment, the screw is right here. There's two screws. This small one just holds the tension finger in position. This larger one with the lip or ring around it controls the tension of the bobbin case. Think about that in terms of 1/8 or 1/4 turn adjustments and then retest. Leave about a 6-inch tail of thread coming out of your bobbin case. Again, check that the dots are aligned on your hand wheel. If you don't have dots on the hand wheel, just put the take-up arm in the uppermost position and you should be able to click that bobbin case into position. Go ahead and drop the head down. Loosely hold the upper thread back as you roll the hand wheel towards you and you'll be able to pick up the bobbin thread. There we are. Just pass a little object underneath the presser foot and you're ready to sew. Alright guys, there you go. Quick and easy way to wind and load the bobbin on RB1. Hope it helps. Catch you next time.